Hi friends, AstroMommy here. I'm so excited to finally share something I've been working on for a long time. AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal. I actually published this last year, but then Mars went retrograde and Mercury went retrograde, and it really messed up my whole launch week because I completely lost motivation to do anything. But I am back, and I am here to share this journal with you guys today and redo a launch. We are doing an official launch, and we are going to be celebrating this book for the next 5 days. So each day I'm going to post a video sharing something about this book and why I wrote it, who it's for, and all those kinds of good things. I'm going to show you inside and everything. And so for today, I would like to start by just reading the back to you, which will give you an overview of the journal. And then I'll share with you about the sale and where you can purchase it. All right, deepen your understanding of the tarot with the daily, monthly structured practice. Grab your favorite deck and embark on a transformative journey with AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal, an indispensable tool for deepening your tarot practice. Perfect for beginners and seasoned readers alike, this undated journal offers a year-long framework to enhance your connection to the cards. Inside, you'll find daily 1-card readings, weekend 3-card spreads, monthly 10-card Celtic cross spreads, and a card tracking section. This is very, very good. Bonus features also include that it's undated for flexibility. Additional note pages are in the back. There's a 3-card idea list, and also an explanation of how to do the Celtic cross. What you need to get started using this journal is a deck of cards and a guidebook of some sort. And I've got you covered if you don't have a guidebook, because inside the book you will get a QR code that links to my free card interpretations PDF. I'll show that to you now. You can look at it online or you can print it out the way that I've done here. I'm not very good at this video part. And then you will have all of the interpretations that I wrote myself as a handy desk reference, okay? That is one of my favorite parts of the journal, and actually what took me the longest time, because writing interpretations for tarot cards takes a long time. All right, so in celebration of launch week, I am running a 30% off sale on the book if you buy directly from me via the link in my Substack post. So I will put the link to the Amazon listing down below in the description of the video, but if you want to partake in the 30% off sale for the next 5 days, so that's November 1st, 2025 until November 5th, 2025, then you're going to need to go to my Substack and go to the link that says AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal official launch. Go to that post, and in that post will be a link to the 30% off sale price. That will purchase it directly from me, from my backstock at home, and then I will ship it to you. So, in addition to the book, I also created PDF downloads, digital downloads that are available in my family Etsy shop. There's a digital download for the 1-card spread, a digital download for the 3-card spread journal pages, a digital download for the 10-card Celtic cross spread journal pages, as well as a digital download for the card interpretations PDF all by itself. So say you don't want to use the journal, but you love AstroMommy's interpretations of the cards and you want to have that book as a reference, you can download that and print it out yourself, or just keep it on your computer and look up the cards whenever you want. All right, so that's how you purchase it. That's the whole deal for the official launch. So you can grab your own copy via the link on my Substack post, or you can just follow the link if it's after the promotional period. You can grab your own copy by following the link to the Amazon listing, and you can get a copy there. Thank you so much for celebrating this important milestone with me. I can't wait to hear all about how you guys are using your journal and all your tarot journeys over the next year or so as you guys embark on that. I'm so excited about that. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and also head over to my Substack, get your copy at 30% off, and go ahead and subscribe to my Substack newsletter as well. I write daily horoscopes and I pull a tarot card every single day for guidance for my paid subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.